Hi, I'm Swarupa Sail, course instructor for fluid mechanics. In this presentation, we will find out what does Pascal's law states and we will solve one problem based on it. Pascal's law states that intensity of pressure at any point in a liquid at rest is same in all the directions. Consider a liquid in a container. A, B, C, D, E, F is a small element which is magnified for clarity, and its shape is in the form of right angled prism. Let FA be the force acting on area AA, that is BEFC. FB be the force acting on area AB, that is ADFC. Similarly, FC be the force acting on area AC, that is ADEB. By equilibrium, we can write FB sin theta is equal to FC and FB cos theta equal to FA. Similarly, by geometry, we can write AB sin theta equal to AC and AB cos theta equal to AA. FB divided by AB can be written now as equal to FC by AC, which is equal to FA divided by AA. FB by AB is nothing but pressure at B, FC by AC is pressure at C, and FA by AA is pressure at A. So from this equation we can conclude that pressure in all the three directions is same. We will solve one problem based on it. The diameter of ram and plunger of an hydraulic press are 200 mm and 30 mm. We need to find weight lifted by hydraulic press when the force applied at plunger is 400 Newton. This figure shows hydraulic press in which we can see plunger and ram. Plunger is of smaller area compared to that of ram. A force is applied on plunger and that value is given as 400 Newton. So after the application of force by plunger, liquid helps in lifting up the ram on which there is weight. So we need to find out what is the magnitude of this weight. To find out the value of W, we will use Pascal's law, which states that intensity of pressure is same in all the directions. So intensity of pressure at plunger will be equated to intensity of pressure at ram. To begin with, we will write down given data, that is diameter of ram, which is equal to 200 mm, which can be written as 0.2 meter. Diameter of plunger is equal to 30 mm, which is equal to 0.03 meter. Force on plunger is equal to 400 Newton. With all these data given, we need to find out what is weight on ram. So by Pascal's law, we can write that intensity of pressure at plunger is equal to intensity of pressure at ram. Intensity of pressure at plunger can be written as force by area. Force by plunger is 400 divided by area of plunger can be written as pi by 4 d square since it is circular. So 400 divided by pi into diameter of plunger is 0.03 square divided by 4 will give us value 5.66 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per square meter. Let us name this as equation 1. So we have found out intensity of pressure at plunger. We need to write equation for intensity of pressure at ram, and then we will name that as equation 2, and we will equate equation 1 and equation 2 to find out unknown data of weight on ram. Now we will write equation for intensity of pressure at ram as W by A. W is weight lifted by ram. Area of ram is pi by 4 d square since it is also circular. Diameter of ram is 0.2, so we get equation 2 as W divided by pi by 4 into 0.2 square. Now we will equate equation 1 which we got from the previous slide and equation 2. So unknown data W comes out to be 17.77 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per square meter. Thank you.